Hello, Tailtunes tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. There were two beautiful parrots, Toto and Popo. They loved traveling to new places. One day, they decided to visit the king's palace. Toto and Popo reached the palace and kept roaming around. After a while, they got tired. Toto then said, "Hey Popo, let's have some nice fruits and take rest in the king's garden. What do you say?" Popo agreed to Toto and they flew to the king's garden. Just when they went upon a tree, they got struck in the net placed over to guard the fruits. Popo said, "Toto, it's sad. Now we won't be able to go back home." Toto replied, "Oh dear, this way we may get to meet the king and see his beautiful palace. Let's wait and watch." The parrots were taken to the palace. The king saw them and was mesmerized by their beauty. He ordered to keep the parrots in a cage of gold and treat them with royal food and luxuries. The king strictly commanded that the parrots should not be allowed to fly back. Both Toto and Popo became the favorite of the king and of all the people in his palace. They as well became the favorite topic of discussion in the city. Toto and Popo started to enjoy all the attention and comforts. One day, a monkey came to the palace. No one had ever seen such a giant monkey. So very soon, the monkey became the center of attraction at King's court. Everyone enjoyed his attractive tricks. Toto and Popo were left ignored and unwanted. Everyone forgot about them. Sad Popo asked Toto, "Don't you think no one in the palace needs and loves us anymore? Everyone are loving the monkey and neglecting us so badly. He seems so attractive to all. Should we try to escape from this cage and fly back to our home?" The intelligent Toto replied, "Hey Popo, don't get depressed. The monkey is the new attraction, I agree. But we are no less. Let's believe in ourselves and our unique qualities. Let's be confident as well. You please have patience, my dear Popo." Popo nodded in agreement and Toto continued, "Only the real character of a living being pleases everyone's heart. I'm sure everyone will realize our value again. Let's wait." Soon, the monkey turned more naughty and violent. He started to misbehave with all the spectators. The king got disappointed and ordered to leave the monkey in the forest. Everyone realized about the uniqueness of the parrots and started to pamper them more. Toto and Popo were happy again. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense a good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.